Okay, Johan, are you ready? Let's review the first sound of words. Let's start with duck. Okay, ready? Duck. Duck. Very good, raccoon. Okay, and what sound goes D? There we go, the D. D. Good work, Johan. D. Yes, D. D. Duck. All right, nice. Here's a cow. There's a cow. First sound. K. Ow. K, 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 k. All right. What sound says K? Let's see now. Ah, the letter C. C. K. Cow. C. K. Cow. Good. Oh, watch me trace. I'm going to trace.
Trace.
Oh, did Johan trace?
Trace it. Yes, he's thinking.
Good job. Okay, that's okay. At least you're pointing. That's good. Cow. Good word. All right, let's move on. Horse. Oh, let's hear that first sound. Horse. Oh, very good. What says huh? What says huh? Oh, the H says huh. Oh, we start at the top. We go down, up and around. H says huh like horse. Oh, I can't see you. Okay. Oh, how about hen? First sound. Huh, hen. Ha, 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 ha. Oh, wait a minute. Hen, horse. Hen, horse. They both say huh. Oh, ha, 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 ha. Oh, they both start with the letter H. If we were to write the words out, they both start with the letter H. H, huh. Hen. H, huh. Oops, that's a cow. Ah, horse. All right, yay. Ooh, now let's go on. Oh, look, we have McMuffin. Oh, McMuffin. What's the first sound? McMuffin. Oh, that's a hard one because it's a long word, a long name, isn't it? Instead, let's break up McMuffin into parts. Are you ready? McMuffin. McMuffin. Let's put it together. McMuffin. 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 Oh, McMuffin. And the first sound of McMuffin, if you listen carefully, McMuffin. M. The M. Oh, let's trace it. Good. Let's trace it. Yes. Good job. Good job, Johan. M. Oh, very good. And you know what else starts with a What else starts with a Mom. Mom starts with a All right, good job, Johan. Good job, sweetie. Now, let's do the ABCs, okay? Let's do the ABCs. 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 Okay, Johan. All right, Raccoon, can you hold on to this? I will. I'll try my best. Let's see. Okay, good. Nice. Okay, ready? Let's do the ABCs. ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know Johan. Let's clap for Johan.